Hello guys and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you room in Monument Valley Inn in Arizona. Let's go and see the reception first. Okay, it's closed. I'm gonna show you later. That's the reception. Oh, the door is locked, okay. Restrooms. So let's go and see the pool. It's around the building. Yeah, the pool is here. I'm wondering if I can open it. Yeah, I can open it. Yeah, there is a pool. It's warm. Yeah, it's not bad. Warm. Yeah, a lot of. It's quite big area. Pool. Let's go to see the gym. Okay, it's quite nice hotel, so gym should be good. This is like a restaurant or something. So my room number is 144. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, I think this room is okay. Clean, smells nice, good. 2 good sized beds. TV. Is there a fridge? No fridge. No fridge. Yeah, a few. So what else do we got here? Alarm clock. And the bathroom. Clean, nice. Oh, here is the closet. Okay, with the iron is here. Yeah. Do they have no? Oh, hay dryer is here. Okay. And that's it. And here is a shower. Yeah, decent, nice hotel. And look at the ceiling, guys. I didn't see it before. It's pretty nice. So gym is here. Okay, that's the gym. Okay, towels, sink. Water. Weights, where are the weights? No weights. There should be some weights only here. Okay. So yeah, that's the gym next to the pool.